How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so today I want to talk to you guys about PPF, which is the paint protection film. There are many different kinds that you can purchase, but I'll be telling you the difference in good and bad ones. So here's a car, that I have PPF on, and this one I have the PPF on the headlights. And I'll show you kind of like the difference. And then on the back side, I have another car, with a bad PPF. I'll tell you what exactly the bad PPF look like, and if you should really invest in the quality of the paint protection film. So this one is a clear PPF, and on this car, we had headlight issues. This is my dad's car, and he had a lot of spitting and gazed out, the headlights was yellowed out, so we kind of wet sanded as best as we can, and I've applied a decent quality PPF on this, not the best quality, but it was a regular one. I just put it on, and it's been about a little bit more than a year, and here you can see what it looks like after a year. Before it was all yellowed out. There are still some gazing, but that's because of the headlight. This particular PPF is not the highest quality one, but at least it did its job. It did not, over the a year, I haven't seen any yellowishness or anything like that. It did protect the headlight pretty well, decent enough. It was already damaged, but even after I cleaned it, it kind of kept it where it was. Here you can see. Now, if I would have done this job, when the car was new, we may not have that issue, but I didn't. So anyways, let's get to the best PPF. So that's my Tesla, and on this one I have the highest quality PPF. This is the paint protection film by 3M. It's the Pro series. So the 3M makes two types of PPF. There's a Pro and there's a regular one. Now, once you buy the Pro series, there is no 3M stickers on the back, just FYI, even though it's made by 3M. And once you get the PPF, you're gonna be like, what the hell? There's no backing says 3M or anything, which is fine. The ones with the 3M logo on the back, those are the cheap PPF. So, and I'll tell you what exactly those look like. But anyways, this is the Pro series. This one has a little bit shine to it. So if you notice, compared to the paint, the PPF, this has more shine to it. So the entire car I wrapped with the PPF. I'll link it I'll put a link in the description below, kind of showing when I did the job. Also on the headlights, I have this PPF. The car is kind of dirty right now, but you can still see it's still very in good shape. So let me get you closer, and you can see that there's a PPF. And even on the headlights, you can see that this is a PPF that I installed. You can probably tell at the corner. Same thing over here, that shows you right there that there's a PPF installed on the car, and even over here you can see that line, but you can't really tell when you're looking from the far. You can see how good it looks. No issues there, nothing. Now let me show you the bad PPF, what a bad PPF look like. Now this has been a few months. The hood I did before, so the hood I have about 1 year, but these are new, so you can see they're looking pretty good. Now this car is about 2 years, and this is a cheap PPF. Look what happened. All the spotting that you see is because of the bad PPF. This is the regular 3M, even though it's a 3M, but it's in pretty bad shape. It looked very good, once it was done, but over the time it just failed miserably. And it's not too bad on the headlights, but even on the headlights you can see it kind of faded out. If you look at the headlight, it's much clearer, but this is all in bad shape. So definitely not good at all. Look at this. It's pretty. And it seems like it was chipped off too. It gets brittle. And I'm not sure how easy it's going to be to take off. Let's try. Okay, so at least it's not going to be too bad to take it off, which is a good sign. Oops, you can see how it's breaking off when it should not. So that's the difference. The thickness of this stuff is not as good as the Pro series. It's in pretty, and you can see And this looks horrible, horrible. The good thing is it's not on the paint, this weird looking stuff. I'm surprised how badly it failed. Now I have to peel all this off. This is my brother's car. And the good thing is it's not cracked, so it's not going to be too bad getting this stuff off, hopefully. But this stuff is not good at all. It looks very bad on the hood. Hopefully, let's see how easy it is to take the hood off. Okay, it's breaking, but it's going to be a lot of sticky substance on the paint that we may have to buff it off and clean before we install the new PPF. So look at this one. Horrible, horrible. So the difference in price in the regular PPF versus the 3M Pro Series and the 3M regular is not much. So if you're looking into investing in a good quality PPF, I would say go with the Pro Series. Don't even think about it. I think also Expel makes a really good PPF. So depending on which type of PPF you're going with, I have already tried the Pro Series on my Tesla, and you can see the difference. This is stuff, it's a year or something, and it's pretty good. And this stuff is fairly new. And if you compare both, they look absolutely the same age. So again, I just wanted to kind of cover and show you guys what a bad PPF looks like and how you should really think about investing in your PPF. But it does protect your paint, so I do highly recommend it. 3M Pro Series is my way to go, but there are some other ones, good ones too. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.